Welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. This is the last chance for us to fish on the ice in 2023. We're up on the warm-up trend now, looking forward to pre-spawn fishing, but this was our last chance to hit the ice. We had a little bit over 3 inches of ice. It was a little sketchy at times, but we were able to get some good quality fishing out there. We were able to put several bluegills on the ice and have a lot of fun doing it. So if you've seen the beginning of this video, you would have seen it on Reese Life Dad Life. So if you haven't yet, follow the link and we'll take you right back there to see the first section of this fishing trip, and then follow along and we will go through what we're going to learn out here on this second part. So the second part, we knew as we got closer to sundown, magic hour, that the bite was going to pick up. That's the way it worked the last time that we got to go ice fishing this year. So we wanted to try 3 different techniques so that we wouldn't miss out on a moment of that action as we got close to that magic hour. So we wanted to try focus on using the Garmin Striker 4 and find the active fish, find the active holes, locations, depths, and work our way around. So we started just searching holes with that. Then we added a hole next to the hole that we were going to stay with for the long haul for our dead stick rod, and we also ran the tip up. So we're going to talk a little bit about that as we're fishing, and let's get out on the ice and see how we do once we get close to magic hour.
Oh shoot. Got one on the tip up. Oh. Another hit on the tip up. Let's see what we got. Yep. Nothing that one. Oh, shoot. Got him. There we go. Decent bluegill. Yep, decent one. Decent bluegill. Okay. Starting to show up all of a sudden.
Tip-up setup was very simple. We had a size 6 hook, a split shot, and butterworm hanging underneath there. We had it at about a foot off the bottom of the water as well, and we really had some good luck on that today versus some other days when we tried that for bluegill fishing. Yes, you can catch bluegills on a tip-up.
Come on, be a fish. Oh boy, here we go. Fish on the tip up. Come on. Be there. Yes. What we got? Woo! Pretty fish. Got a decent one on the tip up.
And here's the fishing joke of the day. What day of the week do fish hate the most? Friday! Back to the action. The dead stick rod we kept about a foot above the bottom of the lake, and that gave us another opportunity. So if we were just too active for the fish jigging up and down, that dead stick rod was sitting just off to the side and for fish that could easily make a decision. We kept things very similar, we just had a slightly different tungsten jig on either one. We had bee moths on both baits, so we gave one option with the active and one option with the dead stick.
Oh, there we go. All right. Got one on the old dead stick.
Once we were able to mark fish on the Garmin Striker 4, our main goal was to just stay on that hole, drop down to the bottom, and slowly raise the bait until we got an active mark to come chase. Once the bluegills really got honed in as magic hour got closer, the more action we saw on the Garmin Striker 4.
Yes. All right. Hey guys, it's getting dark. Thanks for watching. We've had a bunch of fun here out on the ice, on the last ice for Indiana fishing this year in 2023. Boom, we got her done. Yeah, let's go finish up. Oh, there we go. Final fish. All right. Final fish. That's probably the best bluegill we got all day. I don't know if you guys can see that final fish 2023 ice fishing season here in Indiana. We only got to fish twice, but it was a lot of fun.
Thanks for watching this video. We had a lot of fun out there. We got to fish almost all day out on the ice. On the last day we could squeeze out there for ice fishing this year in northern Indiana. We had a lot of luck. It definitely picked up as we got closer to sundown, that magic hour time. We were able to execute perfectly on those techniques and capitalize on catching the most fish that we possibly could. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you. Pound that like button. We'd like to see 10, 20, 30, 40 likes. With your help, we can get there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, because we've got so many cool things coming up. And if you haven't heard yet, the next big thing coming up for our channel is the RLDL Custom Challenge. We're going to be throwing custom bladed baits, custom chatter baits made by us with 15 other YouTubers. It's going to be a blast. So with that, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time out on the water.